In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily permanently delete your Google or Gmail account on an iPhone or on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to install Gmail app on our iPhone or Android device. If you don't have this app on your device, head over to the App Store on an iPhone or to the Play Store on an Android, and then just search for Gmail. That's how you can easily find Gmail app, and then just download it on your device. Once it is done, hit Add Open to open it up. Make sure you are signed into your Google account you would like to delete. Then tap right here at your profile picture, and then select Manage your Google account. If you would like to delete your another account, down below here you can select different account to switch to it. So first off, switch to the account you would like to delete, and then once it is done, tap right here at Manage your Google account. You will be switched to that account, and then you need to tap at Data and Privacy right over here. Once it is done and the page is loaded, scroll down all the way, just keep scrolling it to the bottom where you can easily find Delete your Google account. On the next step, you will be asked to enter your Google account password in that field. And once you've done that, hit Add Next. On the next step, it will show you all the services, all the Google services, which data will be deleted. It shows me here that I have 7 blogs on Blogger. I have some files, over 300 files on Drive app. Also, I have over 25K conversation at Gmail and over 6,000 photos, some YouTube channels here, and a bunch of other data associated with my Google or Gmail account, and all of this data will be removed when we remove our Google account. Just keep it in mind. If you would like to continue, you need to check mark, yes, I acknowledge, and then blah 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 blah, that you acknowledge everything about that. And also you need to check mark that you really want to permanently delete this Google account and all its data. Once you have check marked both of these options, all you have to do to continue is just tap at that button, which is called Delete Account. After that, your account will be scheduled for deletion, and basically, guys, after that, once you start that process, you won't be able to recover any data from your Google account, because after a while it will be permanently deleted. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.